many people associate with the second most valuable cryptocurrency. The question is, what makes it so valuable? In this video, we'll see what exactly Ethereum is and if this concept is as revolutionary as Bitcoin. So let's begin. Hi there, my name is Christina, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I invite you to talk a little bit about Ethereum, but before that I want to tell you a few things about Bityard. This is a new Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange whose main focus is to enable simple trading for its users, even with complex contracts. The registration process takes less than 90 seconds and all you need is an email or phone number to get started. Every account gets access to the daily mining feature, where just for logging in every day and clicking the mine button, you earn free cryptocurrencies. As part of their promotions going on currently, you can earn cryptocurrency quickly and easily by claiming 1 USDT just for creating your account, then 2 USDT for verifying an email and participating in their demo trading feature. Everybody has the ability to participate and be an affiliate with Bityard. At bityard.com/KOL, you can get your own affiliate link. Also, you have the ability to demo trade with 100,000 USDT. If this sounds interesting to you, then please check the link in the description below. And on Bityard, among other digital assets, you can trade Ethereum. But why would you do that? In order to correctly answer this question, let's have a larger look at the crypto market. I believe you already know that Bitcoin represents a decentralized financial system that is based on the blockchain technology. Long story short, this is a system built to make decisions without a central authority. As an analogy, the blockchain technology is for Bitcoin, what the internet is for the email. A cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is just one of the options. This perspective has excited the crypto community in its early times, and they have asked an obvious question. What else can be decentralized? There was a multitude of answers. A good example is the voting system. Voting needs a trusted central authority to count and validate the votes. Another example is the recording of property titles and values. Also, the social media platforms are based on central servers that controls every single data that we provide by using a specific application and setting the needed permissions. All of these are examples that can be converted into decentralized systems. And here comes the importance of Ethereum. Ethereum is a do-it-yourself platform for decentralized applications, also known as dApps. If you want to create a decentralized application that no one else can control after it is launched, not even you, all you have to do is to learn a programming language, Solidity, and start to code. The main goal of Ethereum is to decentralize the internet. Why is that? Well, currently everybody can create a website where he or she can post any sort of information. Still, most of the internet is controlled by big corporations, such as Amazon, Google, or Facebook. There is almost no activity on the internet that is not mediated by a third party. But using blockchain, the communication between two persons is not mediated by someone or something that also have access to the exchanged information. For example, instead of using Dropbox, you can directly rent disk space to another person. Or think about drivers directly offering rides to the passengers. So, Ethereum allows people to directly connect to each other without the need of a central authority to mediate the communication. Ethereum works with smart contracts. These are a set of rules that are progressively executed as certain conditions are accomplished. A smart contract is very similar to a contract from the real world, but it is entirely digital. Imagine you use a smart contract to pay the loan for your car. If you pay before the due date, you are able to use that car. If not, it will remain locked, at least until you make the payment. The smart contract is the one to make these decisions, based on a set of rules defined during the design phase. There are many similar applications that can be built based on the Ethereum network. But you have to know that once launched on the network, an application cannot be modified. And this is a problem because Ethereum was designed for complex systems, which can be quite difficult to secure. And of course, a complex contract is more susceptible to cyber attacks. In order to clearly understand this, let's have a look at a famous case in history, the DAO project. In its very first beginning, Ethereum came with the following idea. code is law. DAO allowed users to deposit money and receive profits based on the investment it was making. The decisions themselves were decentralized, and the project has raised around $150 million. But the smart contract behind the application was not secured enough, and someone has found a way to steal that money. DAO was an important turn in the history of Ethereum. At that time, the community has decided that code was no longer law, and they changed the roles in the Ethereum network. And this way they were able to return the money from the DAO project to the investors. If that was a correct decision or not, it's not me to judge or analyze. But there were people in the Ethereum community that didn't approve this change, and they have kept the original version of the network before the protocol was modified. This is how it came out, the Ethereum Classic project, while the modified version is what we know today as Ethereum. So, Ethereum is a platform for building intelligent and decentralized applications. The currency that supports this system is Ether, also known as Ethereum. But when we talk about the price of Ethereum, we actually refer to the Ether coin, the one that incentivizes the users to run the Ethereum protocol over their equipment. But if you want to launch an application on the Ethereum platform, you, as a project founder, have to pay a certain amount of Ether. The purpose of this is to encourage people to write clean and as good as possible code. In July 2014, Ethereum was launched as an ICO. The price was around 40 cents, and you have to know that this is probably the most successful ICO in history. At the moment of recording this video, you can trade Ether for around $200. But in July 2018, the price was more than $1,500 per coin. And the Ether price predictions can go crazily up. For example, there are predictions for the next 5 years that get Ethereum to $100,000. In my opinion, these are more dreams than predictions, but despite this fact, I do believe that in the next crypto hype, we will trade Ethereum for a few $1,000s. So in my opinion, we can say Ethereum was as revolutionary as Bitcoin because it offered a huge developing opportunity that is not only related to instant payments, but to all sorts of businesses. This is all for today. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so many people find out more information about the crypto space. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate notifications. And also don't forget to check the Bityard exchange. You will find in the description below all the needed links. I'm Christina, thank you for watching, see you next time.